Hi, I'm Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. And one situation that arises in a lot of our workers' comp cases, particularly when the client who is injured and is contemplating surgery, they're not very comfortable with that situation when it's been recommended. What can they do about it? Because work comp is paying for the medical care, they authorize only certain doctors to treat the patient. The doctor in this situation has recommended surgery of some type, but for whatever reason, our client, the injured worker, is just not comfortable with that decision or really wants to find out more information. Well, there is a limited right under the Alabama Work Comp Act that allows, whenever a injured worker has an issue with a doctor and they have not previously used what is called a panel of four. Panel of four allows them to switch doctors, also still controlled by the insurance company's panel. That's what this means. It's a list of 4 doctors in the same specialty. Ordinarily, if they still need medical care and still want medical care but are not happy with the doctor or what the doctor's having to say, they can ask for what's called a panel of 4. Well, this is the second scenario. This is in the surgical situation. There is a limited right to ask for a panel of 4 of surgeons. It's not an unlimited right. It does happen, and you do have that right. There's case law that backs this up that says that if a doctor has recommended a certain type of surgery or procedure and you're not comfortable and you want a second opinion, you can ask for a panel of 4. The insurance company should provide you with that panel of doctors, and you get to choose off of that to go see the doctor. Now, what happens at that panel of 4 office visit, it depends on whatever the doctor has to say opinion-wise. Depends on what you have to say. What I'm trying to say is you're never forced to have a surgical procedure that you are uncomfortable with having done. The other alternative that you have in this scenario, but you would be financially responsible, is you can always go to a doctor of your choosing to get that second opinion. But that's a different scenario. That's not the responsibility of the insurance company. The only way that they would pay for the panel of 4 surgical choice is if you go through the proper channels and asking for that panel when you have that opportunity. It can be confusing at times, but this is something that we deal with quite a bit. Just give us a call at 205-930-6900. That's our office number in Birmingham, Alabama. Nomberglaw.com is our website. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and telling us why, and subscribing to this YouTube channel. We'll make sure that you get the videos as they come out. We can also be found on Facebook and Twitter.